A full day of wildlife exploration in Singapore. Spend your third day in Singapore exploring two of the city-state's best wildlife attractions, the Singapore Zoo and River Wonders. The Singapore Zoo is home to over 2,800 animals from over 300 species. Take a tram ride or walk through the zoo's open-air enclosures to see animals like lions, tigers, elephants, and giraffes. In the afternoon, head to River Wonders, the first and only river-themed wildlife park in Asia. Cruise along the park's 5 zones, which recreate the unique landscapes of the Amazon, Congo, Nile, Ganges, Mekong, and Yangtze rivers. See over 6,000 animals from these river systems, including giant pandas, hippopotamuses, and crocodiles. This is just a suggestion, of course, and you can adjust the itinerary to fit your own interests and preferences. I hope you have a great time on your third day in Singapore. Singapore Zoo, a must-see attraction for animal lovers. The Singapore Zoo is a 28-hectare zoo home to over 2,800 animals from over 300 species. The animals are housed in naturalistic enclosures that replicate their natural habitats. The zoo is committed to animal welfare and conservation, and has won numerous awards for its excellence in these areas. If you are visiting Singapore, the Singapore Zoo is a must-see attraction. It is a great place to learn about animals and to appreciate the natural world. The Singapore Zoo offers a variety of animal shows, including Animal Friends, Elephants at Work and Play, and Splash Safari. Animal Friends is housed in the Rainforest Kids World Amphitheater in the zoo's children's section. The show features mostly domesticated animals such as dogs, cats, and birds performing tricks. The aim of the show is to teach young children about pet responsibility. Elephants at Work and Play demonstrates how elephants are used as beasts of burden in Southeast Asian countries. The show has been reworked as of 2018 to feature the elephant's natural behavior instead of performing stunts. Splash Safari features the zoo's sea lions performing acts relating to their natural behaviors, such as swimming, diving, and playing with balls. The sea lions may also play frisbee with a lucky visitor. All of the animal shows at the Singapore Zoo are educational and entertaining. They provide visitors with a unique opportunity to learn about the animals and their natural behaviors. The Singapore Zoo is committed to wildlife conservation. In 2006, it opened the Wildlife Healthcare and Research Center, which provides the infrastructure for the zoo and its partners to conduct research on animal health and conservation. The zoo is also the first in the world to breed a polar bear in the tropics. Inuka, the polar bear cub, was born on December 26, 1990, and died on April 25, 2018, at the age of 27. Animal activist and conservationist Steve Irwin was a great admirer of the Singapore Zoo. He adopted it as the sister zoo to Australia Zoo, and he visited the zoo in 2006 to officiate the opening of the Australian Outback exhibit. Here are some of the ways that the Singapore Zoo is committed to wildlife conservation. It participates in breeding programs for endangered species. It conducts research on animal health and conservation. It educates the public about wildlife conservation. It supports conservation organizations around the world. The Singapore Zoo is a leader in wildlife conservation. Its efforts are helping to protect animals and their habitats around the world. In addition to the Wildlife Healthcare and Research Center, the Singapore Zoo also has a number of other initiatives that support wildlife conservation. These include the Animal Welfare and Behavior Center, which studies animal behavior and welfare. The Education Center, which provides educational programs for visitors about wildlife conservation. The Conservation Fund, which supports conservation projects around the world. The Singapore Zoo is a valuable resource for wildlife conservation. Its efforts are helping to protect animals and their habitats for future generations. Rainforest Lumina. Immerse yourself in a multi-sensory journey through the rainforest at night at Southeast Asia's only Lumina experience, Rainforest Lumina. From 7:15 p.m. onwards, take a walk through the illuminated pathways and marvel at the dazzling laser displays and countless pixel lights. Be amazed by the synchronized light and sound shows, and learn about the rainforest's natural wonders. This is a must-see for nature lovers and anyone looking for a unique and unforgettable experience. Highlights: multi-sensory journey through the rainforest at night. Illuminated pathways with dazzling laser displays and countless pixel lights. Synchronized light and sound shows. Learn about the rainforest's natural wonders. Tips: wear comfortable shoes. Bring a jacket as it can get chilly at night. Allow at least 2 hours to explore the entire experience. River Wonders is a river-themed zoo and aquarium located in Mandai, Singapore. It is the first of its kind in Asia and features freshwater exhibits and a riverboat ride as its main highlights. The safari was built at a cost of 160 million Singapore dollars, with an expected visitor rate of 820,000 people yearly. The park was officially opened on February 28, 2014, and it has since attracted over 1.1 million visitors. The giant panda forest was opened to the public on November 29, 2012, and it is home to 2 giant pandas, Kai Kai and Jia Jia. River Wonders is a great place to learn about the diversity of freshwater animals and their habitats. It is also a fun and educational experience for the whole family. Here are some of the highlights of River Wonders. The giant panda forest, home to 2 giant pandas, Kai Kai and Jia Jia. The Amazon River Quest, a boat ride that takes you through the Amazon rainforest. The Mekong River Rainforest, a walkthrough exhibit that showcases the animals of the Mekong River. The African Rift Valley, an exhibit that features animals from the African continent. The Polar Bear Shores, an exhibit that showcases polar bears and their environment. River Wonders is a must-visit for anyone interested in wildlife and conservation. It is a great place to learn about the importance of protecting freshwater ecosystems.